PC cases with tempered glass showcase internal components beautifully while providing durability, improved airflow visibility, and a premium modern gaming aesthetic. My today's video is about top 5 best PC case that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Mustex PC case, the Mustex K2 gaming PC case delivers an impressive balance of aesthetics, airflow, and functionality, making it a strong choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking a premium-looking setup without overspending. Its standout 270 degrees panoramic dual-tempered glass panels create a stunning showcase for high-end hardware and RGB lighting, while the 7 pre-installed PWMA RGB fans provide excellent cooling performance right out of the box. The spacious interior supports large GPUs, tall CPU coolers, and 360mm liquid cooling radiators, ensuring compatibility with powerful modern builds. Cable management and internal layout feel thoughtfully organized, making installation easier even for first-time builders. The adjustable ARGB lighting and fan controls add customization flexibility, creating an eye-catching gaming atmosphere with relatively quiet operation. The inclusion of a modern Type-C front I/O panel further enhances usability. Now our second product is NZXT PC case. This PC case stands out as an excellent option for builders focused on airflow, cooling flexibility, and clean cable organization. Its ultrafine mesh front, top, and side panels maximize ventilation while effectively reducing dust buildup, helping maintain stable temperatures during gaming or heavy workloads. Support for a 360mm front radiator and a 240mm top radiator offers strong liquid cooling potential, making the case suitable for high-performance CPUs and GPUs. The included 120mm airflow fans provide solid cooling performance immediately after setup while maintaining relatively quiet operation for daily use. Cable management is another major strength, with wide routing channels, hooks, and straps that make building cleaner and more professional looking. The interior layout feels spacious and builder-friendly, allowing easy installation and future upgrades. Our third product is Lienli PC case. This PC case delivers a premium blend of cooling efficiency, modern aesthetics, and builder-friendly functionality that appeals strongly to gamers and showcase PC enthusiasts. The 4 pre-installed PWM-controlled 120mm ARGB fans provide impressive airflow and cooling performance while maintaining manageable noise levels, making the system ideal for high-performance gaming builds. Daisy-chain connectivity simplifies cable management and RGB synchronization, while the integrated 26 LED ARGB strip adds a vibrant, customizable lighting effect that enhances the overall presentation. One of the most unique features is the slanted PSU shroud with a dedicated display platform, offering a stylish way to showcase collectibles or figurines without disrupting the clean internal layout. Toolless side panel removal makes upgrades and maintenance quick and convenient, especially for frequent hardware enthusiasts. Support for back-connect motherboards, oversized GPUs up to 420mm, and tall CPU coolers ensures excellent compatibility with modern flagship components, making this case both visually impressive and highly practical for advanced PC builds. Now number 4, Corsair PC case. The 3500X PC case delivers a perfect balance of premium aesthetics and strong cooling performance, making it an excellent choice for modern showcase-style builds. Its wraparound tempered glass design provides a stunning panoramic view of internal components, ideal for RGB-heavy setups. Supporting motherboard sizes from mini ATX to ATX, it offers impressive flexibility for different build types. The included 3 RS-120 or ARGB fans ensure efficient airflow right out of the box while delivering vibrant lighting effects with simple +5V motherboard synchronization. With support for up to 10 x 120mm fans across multiple mounting positions, the case maintains excellent thermal potential even with its glass-heavy design. Removable front and side tempered glass panels make installation and upgrade straightforward, improving overall usability. It also supports reverse connector motherboards like Asus BTF, MSI Project Zero, and Gigabyte Project Stealth, helping achieve a clean, cable-free aesthetic. Overall, it combines airflow, compatibility, and visual appeal into a high-end chassis. And our last choice is Height PC case. The HYT Y70 gaming PC case stands out as a premium showcase chassis that blends modern aesthetics with exceptional engineering. Its three-piece panoramic glass design and dual-chamber layout create a clean, unified visual experience, available in multiple colorways to match different build styles. The included PCIe 4.0x16 riser enables massive 4-slot vertical GPU mounting, presenting high-end graphics cards as the centerpiece with a color-matched canopy for seamless visual flow. Cooling performance is equally impressive, supporting a 360mm side radiator, adjustable top radiator clearance, and flexible bottom intake options for optimized airflow. Thoughtful design touches like labeled sections, reusable Velcro straps, floating storage sleds, and a tactile power switch elevate the building experience. Toolless panels and generous rear chamber cable management space make assembly clean and efficient, even for complex builds. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.